It's small, silent, and deadly from miles away. Iran just deployed a drone with air-to-air missiles. Yes, a drone that can hunt jets. This isn't science fiction. It's the Karrar UCAV, and it's changing warfare in the skies. The Karrar is Iran's first domestically produced combat drone, and it's not your typical surveillance aircraft. Designed for high-speed missions, the Karrar can carry a variety of payloads, bombs, rockets, and now something new, the Majid missile. The Majid is a short-range infrared-guided missile. Think of it like a heat-seeking sniper. It locks onto targets and strikes with deadly precision. Fitted on a UCAV, it means Iran now has a mobile air defense platform in the sky. A drone that can shoot down enemy aircraft? That's a serious statement. The move sends a loud message, especially to regional rivals like Israel, Saudi Arabia, and the US. Karrar with Majid missiles increases Iran's ability to defend its airspace and extend deterrence far beyond its borders. It's cost-effective, unmanned, and politically useful. No pilot means less risk. Just press a button and the drone is on its way. Some military analysts call this a game changer. Others see it as another step toward drone-saturated conflicts. But one thing's clear, Iran is no longer just playing defense. It's innovating on its own terms. As drones evolve into dogfighters, the sky is no longer the limit. The question now isn't if drone warfare is the future, but who will own it first. Follow for more stories that make you think in seconds.